How to fix iPhone 16 Pro Max not receiving text messages. If your iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't receiving text messages, you could follow these steps. First of all, ensure you have a stable mobile data or a Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes the issue can be hampered with a connection as well. You could actually try restarting your router or maybe restarting your device and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The next thing what you could also do is you could go to the settings and go to mobile data and make sure your phone line is turned on as well. If you have a multiple SIM, ensure that the correct one is selected and turned on. The other thing what you could also do is you could go to settings and go to apps, after which select messages and turn the iMessages on and off back then and again. That could be able to fix it. So now in some cases you might have blocked some spam, or you could also check the block folder in order to make sure that the issue does not persist on. So you could go ahead and do it so and see whether that fixes your issue or not. So the other simple way to fix it so is by restarting your iPhone. Resetting network settings. For that you want to go to settings and go to general, then transfer. Click on transfer and reset iPhone. Then you want to reset network settings, and that is going to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix your iPhone 16 Pro Max not receiving text messages. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.